Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Now, I am assuming you guys have already noticed or could tell by the title, but today I am sharing with you a super fun collab that is being hosted by Dee over at Dish with Dee. I will definitely link her channel down below. And it is called Halloween Sweets and Treats. And what we are doing today is sharing a low point, weight loss friendly Halloween treat with you guys. There are several other fantastic YouTubers that are participating in this collab as well, so I will make sure to link all of their channels down below. Please make sure you stop by and visit every single one. I know you won't be disappointed. So what am I sharing with you guys today? Well, here's the thing. My kids are having a Halloween party, so I wanted to do something that is not only weight loss friendly or a healthier snack option, I wanted to do something that the kids would think was kind of cool as well. And I think I came up with a really good idea. Let's go ahead and get out to the table and get started. So now we will go ahead and make our ghost bananas. We're simply going to peel our banana, cut it in half. I'm going to cut the tip off of this one just because I don't like to eat that part. Then we are going to take 2 of the mini Lily's chocolate chips to make the eyes. Very easy, we just push it in. 2 little eyes. Then for the mouth, we're going to use one of the regular sized chocolate chips. And there we have our ghost bananas. Next, we will make our pumpkin oranges. Guys, I'm telling you, these are so easy. So we have our clementine, and obviously it's been peeled. Then I've got green gumdrops. I cut them in half. See, half. And then I just kind of roll it together just a little bit, kind of make it round. Stick it in the top of the clementine, and then we have a little pumpkin. Then for our Grape Monsters, I've got green grapes, clearly. I'm going to pour out some more of these small googly eyes. And we will be using our edible glue again. These are super easy also. Cut them in half. And then these, I just put the glue directly onto the grape. And then we just put the eyeball right on top. And there we have our, well, they're supposed to be green monsters. I feel like they kind of look like green boobs, but since this is a kids' party, we'll keep it PG. They're not boobs. Okay, so to make our Granny Smith apple monsters, we're going to start with 1 Granny Smith apple. I cut it into quarters. I've got 2 left. Let me show you how I make the mouth. Do you think this is for you? Okay, you have to sit. So basically, you're just cutting a triangle shape out. Be very careful though not to cut through the entire apple. some. And there we have our smile. Ta-da! Is there an Ace Wilson in the house who would like to help me eat my apple? Come over here, buddy. You want to show everybody your trick? You want to show them? Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Thank you, sir. That's so polite of you. Okay, so now we're going to make Ace. Now we're going... Sit. We don't need your help yet. Sit. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to make our peanut butter. I am using PB2 and sugar-free maple syrup. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of this. I'm guessing that's what it is. Please go lay down. Thank you. And I want this to be thicker because we're going to fill our little apples with it. Does that meet your approval, sir? Oh, now you sit. So we'll just continue to add this. You can have up to a 1/4 cup of this for 0 points. There's nothing on my arm. I'm just checking. That's embarrassing. Oh, sorry. Well, lay down. Anyways, you can have a 1/4 cup of this for 0 points, and I know I'm not going to use a 1/4 of a cup, so I'm just going to use it until I get the consistency that I want for my peanut butter. I'm going to take the apples that we've cut the mouth out of and put a little bit of peanut butter in each case. Do you need to go outside then? Or go in the other room? Okay. I'm just going to fill up the mouth of our apple creature like that with the peanut butter, and I will smooth it out here in a minute. We're going to get our googly eyes. I have large and small. Then we have our edible food glue. Put this on the back of our eyeball. There's one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of them and I'll be back. Okay, so I have a strawberry that I cut in half. And I am just going to cut slices just like this to make a tongue. See? That's how that's done. All right, let's get one of our little creatures out. And there's our tongue. And then we're just going to take our unsalted sunflower seeds and make teeth with them. All right, and there we have our completed Granny Smith apple monster. And then the last thing that we need to make for the charcuterie board is our chocolate dip for the fruit. I'm going to use non-fat Greek yogurt and then sugar-free Jell-O pudding. These are both at 0 points. Well, I'm sure if I use the whole thing it would be a couple points, but I'm not going to use enough to be any points. Okay, so for my charcuterie board, I wanted something bigger than the charcuterie board that I actually have. So I'm using a really thick, big butcher block. I am not good at decorating or making charcuterie boards, so basically you're just gonna see me throwing my stuff on here and kind of arranging it in some way that I think is cute. I did find these little gnome espresso cups that I'm going to be using for the chocolate dip that we made. What did you think? Cute, right? And I'll tell you what, I think the kids are gonna be so excited. I know Ava's already over there drooling over our projects, so I think it's gonna be a big hit. Anyways, quick rundown of the point values. Guys, there really aren't any points to be had in this. I mean, unless you like piled and piled and piled a bunch of fruit and of the chocolate pudding mix on your plate, you're not really gonna have anything. I mean, 2 tablespoons of PB2 is 2 points, but you guys saw I used maybe 2 tablespoons on all of those chunks of apples, so there's no way you're getting enough PB2 on those little apple critters to count as more than a point, maybe. So you calculate it how you would like to. I'm gonna say as long as you eat within reason, there are no points. So anyways, guys, that is my project. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Again, big thanks to Dee for setting up this collab for all of us. Please make sure you go by and check her out, as well as all of the other fantastic YouTubers. I will link every single one of them down below. If you haven't already, my friends, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos, which in turn helps us to grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube families, guys, I do have an 850 subscriber giveaway going on. I will also link that down below, so if you are not entered in that, please make sure you stop by and do that. We have 1 week left. And my whole point with that spiel was, if you're not subscribed, if you're not part of my YouTube family, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I hope you all have a fantastic Halloween. Stay sweet, stay safe, and until next time, guys, keep smiling.